Good morning children. In the last class we have done story problems in textbook. In this class we are going to do workbook page number 26. Today we are going to do workbook and page number 26. Okay children. So the first question is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. A question. Write in Indian place value system. In Indian place value system. So the answer is, in this question you are given a number and you have to write it in Indian place value system. So you have to place the commas according to Indian place value system. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place. For writing this number in Indian place value system, you have to place the comma after hundreds place and 10,000s place. Okay children, you have to place the comma after hundreds place and 10,000s place. Okay, now let us do the B sum. Write in international place value system. Place value system. Now you have to write this number in international place value system. Okay, let us write down the number in international place value system. For it, you have to write the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. First, you have to write the places. In international place value system, you have to place the comma after hundreds place. You have to place the comma after hundreds place and then after 100,000s place. So this number is 600,000. This number is 600,000. Okay. Now let us do the C sum. Let us do the C sum. Write the number name of so you have to write the number name of the given number. Here this number is in Indian place value system. How can we know that? Because here the comma is placed after hundreds place and after that comma is placed after every two places. So you have to write this number in Indian place value system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So the number is 8 crores, 60 lakhs, 24,000, 342. Now let us do the D sum. Okay children. Write the number name for. Write the number name for this number. You have to write the number name for this number. Here the commas are placed after two numbers. So this number is in Indian place value system. So first let us write down the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So now how will we write this number? 77 lakhs, 77,000, 77. Okay. How will you read this number? 77 lakhs, 77,777. Okay. Now let us do the e-sum. Let us do the e-sum. Write the number for the number name. Here number name is given and you have to write the number. So what is the number name? 8 crores 60 lakhs 54,000 702. Here the number is in Indian place value system. Here the number is in Indian place value system. So first we have to write down the places. Here the first number is having crores. So we have to write the places up to crores. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So which number is given in crores place? 8. You have to write 8 in crores place. So before lakhs which is given? Before lakhs 60 is given. So you have to write 60 in lakhs period. So before 1000 what is the number given? It is 54. So you have to write down 54 in thousands period. After that you are given 702. This is 702. This is the way of writing 8 crores 60 lakhs 54,702. Okay children. Now let us do the second sum. Okay. Let us do the second sum. The second sum is about you are given 3 numbers. Among those 3 numbers you have to circle the largest number and cross away the smallest number. Okay children. Here in every question you are given 3 numbers. In those 3 numbers you have to circle the largest number and cross away the smallest number. So here I am not writing the question, just I am writing the solution. Okay, second question. So here in A question you are given 3 numbers. Those are 34 lakhs 12,760, 44 lakhs 41,687, 34 lakhs 21,760. Among these you have to circle the largest number and cross away the smallest number. Here 34 lakhs, 44 lakhs, 44 lakhs, 34 lakhs. So 44 lakhs is the biggest number. So you have to circle 44 lakhs. Here these two numbers are having 34 in their lakhs place and this number is having 12 in its thousands place, thousands period, and this number is having 21 in its thousands period. So this is the smallest number. So you have to cross away it. Okay children, did you understand? You have to circle the largest number and cross away the smallest number. Now let us do the B sum. 68 lakhs 45,009, 75 lakhs 83,471, 68,45,090. So among these numbers, here it is having 68 in lakhs period, this number is having 75 in lakhs period, this number is having 68 in lakhs period. So you all know that 75 is the largest number. Okay. In these, both these numbers are having same number in its lakhs period and same number in their thousands period. In its hundreds place, this number is having 0 and this number is also having 0. In its tens place, this number is having 0 and this number is having 9. So this is the smallest number. So you have to cross it away. Okay. Next, see sum. So among these numbers, this is the largest number and this is the smallest number. Now let us do the D sum. 5,66,82,500. Next, 56,628,500. 56,682,050. So among these, 5,66,82,500 is the largest number and 56,628,500 is the smallest number. Now let us do the E sum. Among these, this is the largest number and this is the smallest number. Now, okay, now let us do the F sum. 77,77,777, 7,777,787, 77,87,787. Among these, this is the largest number and this is the smallest number. Now let us do the G sum. 92,45,689, 98,56,689, 97,65,235. Among these, 98,56,689 is the largest number and 92,45,689 is the smallest number. Now let us do the H sum. So 97,78,789, 9,778,978, 97,87,987. Among these, 97,87,987 is the largest number and 97,78,789 is smallest number. Okay children. Now let us do the third question. Let us do the third question. Here the third question is compose the given numbers according to the Indian place value system. Okay, one is done for you. So you have to compose the numbers. Compose means what? Compose means to write all the numbers together according to their place values. To write the number together according to its place value. So I have already explained it in the textbook. So I will be doing 2 sums for you. Remaining sums you do for homework. So how you have to compose? Here already the place values will be given. You have to compose the number. Compose the number means writing the number together according to its place values. Okay. Here the first sum is 3, 5, 6, 7, 2, 0, 4, 1. Now you have to compose this number. So how will you compose this number? Just you write the place. Write the number and place the commas according to the Indian place value system. So first you have to place the comma after 3 numbers, after 2 numbers and after 2 numbers. How will you read this number now? 3 crores 56 lakhs 72,041. So here we have composed the number according to its place values. Okay. Next B sum. 4 0 0 4 0 0 0 0. Now you have to compose this number. First write down the number. So after writing the number, you have to place the commas according to the Indian place value system. After 3 numbers, after 2 numbers. So how will you read this number? 4 crores 40,000. 4 crores 40,000. This is the way of composing the numbers. I have done 2 sums for you. Remaining sums you do for homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.